Hello mga Bethel Temple kababata yan sa LA at sa Manila. Thank you Brother Don Jardine for hosting this Bethel reunion. Sorry hindi ako makapunta na sa East Coast ako sa New Jersey. But my love to all of you, mga dear pastors, mga leaders, elders ng church. I will not forget my Bethel roots. Diyan po ako na born again, diyan po ako na spirit filled. Diyan din po ako natutong mag music kay Pastor Lucica. So greetings to everybody. May the Lord bless and keep you. Let's keep the fire burning. We are living in the last days. Sa Pilipinas po, nag-retire na ako. Sama niyo sa prayer. Maraming shakening politically, natural earthquake as the Lord prophesies. So um, let's keep going on, mga Bethel Temple. Keep our fire burning. Love you all. This is Brother Jesse Gatdula, greeting you right here in New Jersey. Sinliit po ng Israel itong New Jersey. So what a joy to talk to you. God bless you. Thank you, Brother Don. Shalom.